we just created a new tab and we'll rename it as dashboard. Then we're going to bring our slicer in here, Control X, and then click on dashboard, then Control V like Victor. There we go. Then we're going to create our shapes. Okay, and we're going to decide this rectangle rounded corners. Clicking here, and there we go. Then we're going to click on click on the shape. You know, when I say one click is left click, just to make sure that you're following me. Okay. Then Control 1, and then we're going to click on no line in here, and then we're going to switch the color to. Sorry, let me move this one. Let's click the color and click on this color. Good. Let's make it 50% transparency, and then we're going to click on shape effects, shadow. Okay, let me move this one so it works. Click on the shadow and then shape effects, shadow, and let's pick this one. Okay, there we go. Now let's click on the shape and click on the formula bar equal. Go to the analysis tab and let's click in here. Enter. Good. Remember, we're doing this. Why? Because we can't link this shape into the number which is in here, which is within the pivot table. It's not possible to do that. Okay, so we tried that before. I'm gonna click on. I'm gonna reformat this number as use 1,000 separators and no decimals. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard, and then we're gonna resize it. You know, we're gonna do it for 25, and then we're going to center. Okay, we're gonna center. Okay, click on center, and there we go. Then we're gonna insert a text box, and we're gonna place it in here, and in here we're gonna type down kilograms. Okay, and once again we're going to center it. Okay, good. We're gonna click on the shape again, and then we're gonna click on no field and no line, and there we go. Okay, now given the fact that we are gonna have 4 metrics, okay, we're gonna click on the shape, and then we're gonna hit Control and then mouse left click on with the mouse, and then as we are able to see, the 2 shapes are highlighted. Okay, we're gonna click on Control D to duplicate, and with left mouse we're gonna position this one in here, and then Control D and Control D. Good. We're gonna move the slicer to the right. Okay, we're going to get rid of this format of slicer, and there we go. Okay, remember, we're going to update these numbers. Okay, sorry, Control Z, Control Z. We're going to update these numbers because our final visualization is going to have in here the number of transactions or interventions. Okay, and this slicer is going to allow to update this metric and this metric as well. When we click on Argentina, it will allow us to see the number of kilograms that were seized in Argentina. I mean, which destination was Argentina, and the number of transactions. Okay, as you notice, the numbers are updating, and that's something that we're going to fix. Thank you.